Someone sits across from you at a table. They smile. They nod. They say all the right words. But something feels off. You can't explain it. Your gut just knows. That feeling has a name. Scientists call it thin slicing. Your brain reads a person in under 3 seconds, using thousands of tiny signals you never consciously notice. You don't need to be a genius to use this power on purpose. You just need to know where to look. Here are 10 simple psychology tricks. Real research backs every one. Use them and you will read people faster and win more of the deals that matter. Trick 1. Watch the mouth, not the eyes. Most people stare into someone's eyes to find the truth. That is a mistake. The mouth moves faster than the eyes can fake. Psychologist Paul Ekman spent decades studying facial expressions. He found the truth flashes across a face in less than half a second. He called it a micro-expression. A real smile pulls up the cheeks and crinkles the eyes. A fake smile only moves the mouth. Watch closely. The lips will tell you what the words are hiding. Trick 2. Mirror them, gently. People trust people who feel familiar. When you copy someone's posture, their tone, even their pace of speech, their brain relaxes around you. It thinks, this person is like me. Do it slowly. Do it naturally. Never copy them the instant they move. Wait a few seconds, then shift. You're not performing a trick on them. You're speaking a language their body already understands. Trick 3. Ask for less than you want first. This one comes from a name every negotiator knows. Robert Cialdini studied why people say yes. One answer is reciprocity. If someone gives you something small, you feel a pull to give something back. So in any deal, open with a small, easy request. Let them say yes. That yes builds momentum. By the time you ask for what you actually want, saying no feels harder than saying yes. Trick 4. Repeat their last few words. Chris Voss spent years as an FBI hostage negotiator. One of his favorite tools is almost embarrassingly simple. When someone finishes talking, repeat their last 3 words back to them, like a question. People feel truly heard. And when people feel heard, they keep talking. The more they talk, the more they reveal. Silence does the rest of the work for you. Trick 5. Watch the feet, not the face. Faces are trained to lie. Feet are not. If someone's feet point toward the exit while their face stays turned to you, their body is already leaving the conversation. If their feet point straight at you, they are locked in, engaged, and open. Next time you talk to someone, glance down for 1 second. The feet rarely lie. Trick 6. Let silence sit. Most people rush to fill a quiet moment. That rush costs them. After you make an offer, stop talking. Do not explain. Do not soften it. Just wait. The silence will feel long and uncomfortable, and it will pull the other person forward. Whoever speaks first after the silence often gives something up. Let it be them. Trick 7. Give them the choice, not the decision. People resist being told what to do, but they rarely resist choosing. Instead of asking, "Should we do this deal?" ask, "Would you rather start Monday or Wednesday?" Both answers move the deal forward. Their brain feels in control. Yours stays in control the whole time. Trick 8. Stand tall before you walk in. Before a big meeting, your posture changes your chemistry. Social psychologist Amy Cuddy studied how holding an open, confident stance for 2 minutes shifts how a person feels inside. Standing tall before you walk in changes how steady your voice sounds when you speak. And a steady voice gets read as a trustworthy one. Trick 9. Notice what they touch. When people feel nervous or unsure, their hands wander. They touch their neck. They adjust a watch. They fold and refold their hands. This is called a self-soothing gesture. It shows up right when the truth gets uncomfortable. If someone touches their neck the moment you mention price, you just found the real number they were hoping to avoid. Trick 10. End on the feeling, not the terms. Every deal is remembered less for its numbers and more for how it felt to close. Leave the other person with a warm, human moment at the very end. A genuine thank you. A small compliment. A real smile of your own. That final feeling is what they carry into the next negotiation and the next time your name comes up. None of these 10 tricks are magic. They are simply patterns, tested again and again by people who study how humans actually behave, not how we wish they behaved. Paul Ekman studied faces. Robert Cialdini studied persuasion. Chris Voss studied high-stakes negotiation, where lives, not just money, were on the line. So next time you sit across from someone, remember that first 3 seconds. Your gut already knows more than you think. Now you know why.